guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining us for the first time, you're welcome. I am Nikki Create. Did you know that you can start building an online income with just your phone and the internet? Don't be like me before now. You can make money online. Are you not tired of being broke? There is money online. Come on, let's make this money together. Let's grow together. You can make money with just your phone and your internet, sitting in the comfort of your home. Are you not tired of Ojen 2K? Give me Ojen 2K. The online space is full of opportunities, freelancing, affiliate marketing, even digital products, online coaching, content creation, and more. Don't sit in the comfort of your home watching other people's video online. You can do it. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. The truth is, you don't need fancy equipment or years of experience. The skills, you already have it. It is in you. Okay, you're always online, you have your mobile phone, you have your internet connection, because without your internet connection, of course you will not be online. But you're online and you're seeing this video. I am talking to you. Start. If you're waiting for a sign, I think this is even the right sign you need. Just start now. Then start small. Just stay committed and watch how your digital journey unfolds. Follow me for more tips or more guides. Do well to press the like button, subscribe button, and follow me for more tips. Bye.